I remember the day when I asked a very important question to myself. The question was, who am I? Who am I and why do I exist? I think this is a question which everyone needs to ask ourselves. And the day you ask this question to yourself, your life changes. Hello and good morning, fellow Toastmasters. What a beautiful and amazing, pure, serene session here to ask this question. Let us start today with a clean slate, just like I did 6 years ago when I rewrote the map of my life. If you're a Toastmaster, then the very first level you do it is you write amazing speeches, you get feedback, you go show this to your boss, you get promoted. Is that enough? Well, I did all of this, but I did something different as well. I want to change my life, but I want to take lots of people along with me. And I want to make progress. What do I do if I have to make progress? I have a child, I'm married, I have a day job, I serve in a lot of community causes. What is it that I need to do to move towards my Ikigai and make progress? I know the reason for my being. That's not enough. I have a platform called Toastmasters. I get feedback all the time. How I need to improve my speech, how I can talk to groups, how I can improve them. I found my Ikigai. I have this community. It's not enough. It's not enough. What is the missing piece? What is the next step which will take me towards progress? I'm talking about my life. And why am I talking about entrepreneurship? What is life got to do with entrepreneurship? Do you think people who are in a day job should not be entrepreneurs? I think if you look at your life as an entrepreneur with an entrepreneurial perspective, you will start changing your personality. I figured out my Ikigai, which is my purpose. If you look at the entrepreneurial landscape, your purpose becomes your minimum viable product. Now, what is the purpose of every entrepreneur? To provide value to the society. Every product, minimum viable product, has brand. Once it hits the market, it has a messaging. But the purpose of entrepreneur is to provide value and scale. Find your vehicle of scale. I don't look at it as success or failure. If I fail, then I think this is something I should not do. This is if success and failure were two words not there in the dictionary, my life is like that. I don't have success and failure in my dictionary. I'm living outside that. What I know is I have passion in life. What I have, what I can do, where I can go next. That's all I know. I know what my Ikigai is. Certainly what I'm doing today will be a part of what I'm doing 5 years from now. Are you aware of yourself? Are you aware of your surroundings? Are you aware of your community? Are you aware of what's happening in your neighboring nations? Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. We are all one. What happens to me affects you, and what happens to you affects me. This is the awareness at many levels, which is my anchor. Thank you so much.